Hey everyone, welcome back to SmartlyQ. So we understand at SmartlyQ that managing blog content across multiple platforms can be a huge task. But what if you could use AI to generate and schedule full articles either for your high-level blog, your WordPress page, or even your Shopify blog in just a matter of minutes? Well, in this video, we're going to show you how SmartlyQ's campaigns tool makes it possible. So let's get started. Before we get started though, you need to make sure you have integrated either your WordPress page or your high-level blog or your Shopify store with our platform in order to post to that respective platform. Just follow the respective tutorials on our playlist so you can know how to do that. Assuming you already have done that, So assuming we already have connected, for example, our WordPress page, we're going to get started into creating a campaign for us. So just head over to the left-hand menu under the tools, select the campaigns tool. So we haven't created a campaign yet. We're just going to go ahead and press create here. And the first step is to give it a name. I already have something planned, so we can have a look how it works. Okay, and you can select the type of campaign, so you can choose either informative or RSS. If you choose informative, you have the keyword/URLs field here, where your content, your article content will be generated based on the keywords or the URLs that you provide. Otherwise, you can simply select RSS and you just provide SmartlyQ with a RSS feed URL where the keywords will be generated from that feed to create articles. For this example, we're just going to go ahead and use informative. We're going to use our own keywords. So a topic is AI and SEO revolution. So how AI works in SEO. I'm just going to add my keywords here separated by comma, or you can also add URLs if you have them. And then you can have an optional content. So I'm just going to add some content to help the AI make better articles. And you can also add a custom title if you want. Especially if you're creating just only one post, you can enter a custom title for that. Otherwise, the AI will generate it for you. I'll just leave it empty, and then you can select the article length, either long, medium, short. We're just going to keep it at long. You can also select the point of view, first person, third person, neutral, objective, or omniscient narrator. We're just going to use third person for this example. You can also add external links, up to 3 links. Let's use no link for this example. And if you don't generate the title yourself, you can have it use the keywords in the title if you want. And it says otherwise the title will generate automatically from the keywords. Yeah. So you can also add a image copyright disclosure if you're searching images from Google sources. So let's leave it at that. And then the next section involves selecting an AI model to write your article or articles. You can select from the list here. I'm just going to use GPT 4.1. The output language, we're going to keep it English. And the tone of voice, you can also, for example, add professional or keep it to default or whatever you like. Next, we have the embeds. We can elect to use video embeds. You can include your YouTube video embeds in relation to the keywords you provided at the top, and we can also add images to our content. If you select images, you're going to select the image source, so the AI model that would generate those results. We can use perhaps GPT image 1. You can elect to have a featured image if you want. Strongly suggest you leave that on. If you are going to post to GoHighLevel blog, you need to have this enabled, as the blog post in high level requires you have a featured image. Otherwise, it will not successfully post it. And then here you can select how many images you want in the article. No image, up to 1 image, 2 images, or 3 images. And finally, you will select where to post this, which channel. I'm going to select WordPress. I already connected my WordPress here. I'm going to select this site, and it's going to fetch my category that I want it to be posted in. I'm going to put feature news, and you can also elect to not upload images to the WordPress library. If you do that, if you check this, then the source of the images will be served from the source website where it will draw the images from. Otherwise, it will just copy the images in your WordPress media library. And then you can select the publication type. You can publish it immediately. You can publish it on a schedule. So you can select the date that you want this post or these posts, depending how many you want to create, on a specific date. I'm just going to put immediately. And then in the end, you can select how many total posts to create. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. I'm just going to make 1 for this case. And if you have many posts, more than 1, you can also select the post creation interval in minutes. So let's say I have 4 posts here, and the post creation interval is 60 minutes, so that's an hour each. So it's going to post 4 total posts with 1 hour difference between them. Let's add 1 here for simplicity, and if you're alright, yep, we'll just press save campaign. So my details have been saved successfully. I'm going to go back to the campaign, and then I have the list of my campaigns. You can also deactivate it if you don't want it to work anymore. You can see the status here and the content to be generated. You can also view it again and make some changes, update it or delete it as well if you don't want this campaign anymore. So I'm just going to come back when the post has been successfully uploaded to my website. Alright, now we're back, and as you can see, I have refreshed the page and the status is completed. So 1 out of 1 content has been generated for me. And now you can see that the page has posted my article, right? And it's as simple as that.